Aloha, welcome back to the Pet Hui. If you've ever noticed white spots in your dog's eyes, they could be Florida spots. To learn more about it, here's Dr. Maya Yamagata.
Hi, I'm Dr. Maya Yamagata, and I'm a veterinary ophthalmologist here in Honolulu, Hawaii. And this is Charlie. She's a 5.5-year-old terrier mixed breed dog. She has this condition called Florida spots, which are these small little circular white spots on the eye. They are typically asymptomatic, meaning that there's no evidence of pain or discomfort, redness or swelling. And with Florida spots, animals don't go blind. You'll be able to see the lesions, but from the dog's perspective, they seem to be running around and acting normal and don't seem to show any evidence that the spots bother them. So I've been a veterinary ophthalmologist here in Hawaii for 22 years. I've been going to the outer islands, island of Hawaii, Maui and Kauai this whole time for 20 years. And I began seeing Florida spots roughly around 2015, so 9 years after I started practicing here. There was this rumor that the fire ant causes Florida spots, but the clinical symptoms are not consistent with that. In addition to that, there are a number of pets that we've examined that the owners are absolutely sure there are no fire ants in their environment, and yet their pets have Florida spots. So we definitely see Florida spots in areas where there are not fire ants. There has been a great deal of misconception about the fire ant causing Florida spots, and so much so that on the Big Island, on recent trips there, pets will come in for conditions like glaucoma or cataracts, other conditions that might cause cloudiness in the eyes, and the owners all ask if it's due to the fire ant. So there is this misconception that any cloudiness in the eye could be due to the fire ant. The purpose of this presentation is to educate people that Florida spots is a condition that is not painful, they will not go blind, and as far as we know, there is no known cause for Florida spots. So fire ants are a concern here in Hawaii. We don't want them to spread any more than they have, but the fire ants are not the cause of Florida spots. If you believe that your pet has been bitten by an insect and you're concerned about it, there might be swelling or squinting or itchiness on the skin, please have your veterinarian examine your pet to make a proper diagnosis.
It's always a good idea to get your dog a yearly wellness check. In this next segment, we'll witness a few happy customers getting a free checkup at the Pet Hale.
Hey folks, this is Ricky Baker from the Pet Hale. Every one of our puppies goes through a very rigorous vet check before they come to our store, and that's done by Keola Pet Hospital. And today we've got Dr. Pauline Yap from that clinic here with us today.
Hi, I'm Dr. Pauline Yap from Keola Pet Hospital, and today I just want to talk to you about the importance of a wellness exam. Just like it is for people, we want to make sure that everyone is in good health, starting from the puppy years. We start by checking them out from nose to tail, make sure that their noses aren't excessively leaking, that there's no discharge, colored discharge. You want to look at their eyes, that they're bright and alert. There's no discharge from the eyes. You want to check the ears, make sure they're nice and pink and clean. There's no odor, there's no redness, there's no discharge from the ears. Look in their mouth, make sure their gums are nice and pink and moist. They have nice, healthy looking, sharp little teeth, baby teeth. If you can look inside of their mouth, you want to make sure that their tongues are also nice and pink. There's no debris caught inside of their mouth. You want to check all of their lymph nodes, starting from under their neck, going into their breastbones, under their front legs, inside of their back legs, behind their back legs. Also want to listen to their heart and their lungs, make sure everything is clear and they've got a steady rhythm. And then you want to feel their little bellies, make sure that they don't have any abnormal lumps or bumps inside of their abdomens. And look at their paws, make sure that there's no redness or swelling to their little feet. And that's pretty much it, taking their temperatures and make sure it falls into the normal range. And this is important so that they can start off life at a healthy, happy rate and that they'll grow well.
Dr. Yap is here doing wellness exams for anyone who brings in their pets today. And we've got Representative Okimoto here as well to meet the constituents here from Mililani and talk to them about their pets and their questions they have about their community.
Yes, aloha. I am Representative Val Okimoto, representing District 36. I cover Mililani, Malka, Mililani, and YPO Acres. We have a lot of pet lovers here in Mililani, and I'm grateful for this opportunity to do service for the community. As you know, Mililani is a very family-oriented place, and we value families, and our pets are an extension of the family. While I'm here, I'm also willing to talk to the constituents, get to know their concerns. If they have any issues that they'd like me to take back to the Capitol with me, I'd gladly do so. You can contact me through my email at repokimoto.capitol.hawaii.gov. You can also find me through social media. I am on Instagram and Facebook at Rep Val Okimoto, or you can call my office 808-586-9460.
We just got our first new puppy. It took us a while to decide what dog we wanted to get. My husband's in the military, so there's certain dogs you can't take on the plane. We had to narrow down what dog was going to fit better for our situation so that we can take him back onto mainland with us. And then we came across him today after coming and visiting at the shelter here quite a few times, and we found him, and now we're going to take him home. We're so excited. We got 2 babies, and they don't know that we came and got them, but they're going to be very anxious and excited when we bring them. So.
We'd like to send a big mahalo to Ciel Blue for this beautiful dress. For more information, visit them at www.cielblue.com. That's CIEL blue.com. Mahalo for watching the Pet Hui.